Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy cinematic breakdowns that dive deeper than the usual car review, you're in for a treat. Because today, we're exploring Mazda's boldest step into the future, the 2026 Mazda EZ-60, a vehicle that doesn't just mark a new chapter for Mazda, but arguably redefines what the brand stands for in the age of electrification. In this video, we'll unpack everything from its striking design language and advanced tech to the hybridized powertrain philosophy that blurs the line between EV and traditional engine. So buckle up, hit that like button if you love cars with soul, and let's dig into what makes the EZ-60 such a fascinating new direction for Mazda. A few years ago, Mazda was in a bit of a crossroads. Known for driver-focused cars that prized emotion over efficiency. Think MX-5 Miata or the Mazda 3. The company found itself facing a global pivot toward electrification. Many assumed Mazda would simply electrify its existing lineup and call it a day. But instead, they built something entirely new. The EZ-60, a mid-size electric crossover designed to carry Mazda's signature Jinba Itai spirit, that harmony between car and driver into the electric era. It's the brand's first major model, developed under the Mazda Chang'an joint venture, and the results are stunning both visually and technically. The EZ-60 doesn't scream EV the way many futuristic SUVs do. It whispers confidence instead. The proportions are pure Mazda long hood, taut surfaces, short overhangs, but evolved through a cleaner, more sculpted aesthetic. The front end is closed off, as you'd expect from an EV, but framed by razor-thin LED headlamps that taper into a glowing grille accent, almost like the car is exhaling light. There's an elegance in how the panels flow, no unnecessary creases, just soft tension lines that catch the light differently at every angle. It's an evolution of Mazda's Kodo design language, but more aerodynamic, more technical. The drag coefficient reportedly sits around 0.26, which puts it right alongside the most efficient luxury crossovers in its class. From the side, the EZ-60 looks planted 19 or 20-inch wheels fill out muscular arches, while flush door handles and a floating roofline bring it firmly into 2026. Around back, a full-width LED strip and clean tailgate design keep things minimal and modern. Mazda's attention to visual harmony really pays off. This doesn't feel like a copy of anything else on the market. It's distinctively Mazda, but evolved for the EV age. Underneath the sculpted shell lies one of the most flexible platforms Mazda has ever built. The EZ-60 will come in two distinct forms, a fully electric version and a range-extended electric version known as EREV, which pairs a battery electric drivetrain with a small gasoline engine that acts purely as a generator. In the EV version, power comes from a rear-mounted electric motor producing about 255 horsepower, enough for brisk acceleration and effortless cruising. Mazda is targeting roughly 600 kilometers of range on the optimistic CLTC cycle, which should translate to something closer to 450 in real-world driving. The EREV variant, on the other hand, takes a slightly different approach. It uses a 1.5-liter gasoline engine that never drives the wheels directly. It simply charges the battery, extending total range to an impressive 1,000 kilometers or more. That means zero range anxiety and the smooth, silent driving feel of an electric car, without being entirely dependent on charging stations. Driving the EZ-60 is still unmistakably Mazda. Engineers have tuned the chassis to maintain that sense of connection to the road that's been a brand hallmark for decades. The steering is crisp but natural, the suspension tuned to balance comfort with confidence. And thanks to a rear-wheel drive layout and low-mounted battery, the EZ-60 manages to feel more balanced than many heavier front-drive crossovers. It's not chasing raw performance numbers instead. Mazda focused on feel. The subtleties of weight transfer, the sense of control mid-corner, the way the car settles when you accelerate out of a bend. It's this human tuning that might give Mazda's new EV an edge in personality over some of its colder, more digital rivals. Step inside and the transformation continues. The cabin of the EZ-60 feels like a leap into the future, minimalist yet warm, sophisticated without being sterile. The centerpiece is a massive 26-inch curved display that stretches almost the entire width of the dashboard, combining digital gauges and infotainment into one seamless, panoramic interface. There's also a 100-inch augmented reality head-up display that projects key driving info directly into your field of vision, almost as if it were floating over the road ahead. It's not just tech for tech's sake. Mazda's interface is designed to reduce cognitive load, showing you what matters when it matters. Materials are classic Mazda: soft leathers, matte finished metals, and natural grain textures that feel designed by craftsmen rather than machines. The seats are deeply contoured and can be heated, cooled, or massaged, depending on trim. Ambient lighting runs in delicate lines along the cabin, reacting subtly to drive modes. And in the top-spec version, a 23-speaker Dolby Atmos sound system envelops the cabin in rich, layered audio, the kind of detail you notice the moment music starts. Mazda's goal here wasn't just to make an electric SUV, it was to make an environment where technology serves emotion. On the practicality front, the EZ-60 delivers real usability. There's a 350-liter cargo area behind the second row and a small front trunk around 120 liters for cables or travel gear. Fold the rear seats and you get over 2,000 liters of space, which makes this SUV genuinely functional for families or road trips. It's not trying to reinvent practicality, just refine it with better packaging and smarter use of space. Safety and driver assistance systems are, as you'd expect, top-notch, but Mazda's approach feels more refined and deliberate than what you'll find in many of its rivals. The EZ-60 comes equipped with Mazda's latest suite of advanced safety technologies, collectively known as Mazda Safety Sense, a next-generation evolution of the brand's long-standing iActiveSense platform. This includes adaptive cruise control with full stop-and-go capability, lane centering with gentle steering inputs, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic jam assist, automatic emergency braking, and an enhanced parking assist system that can now self-park in parallel and perpendicular spaces with remarkable precision. Underneath, the EZ-60's structure has been re-engineered to accommodate the added battery mass while preserving Mazda's safety standards. It uses a hybrid mix of high-tensile and ultra-high-strength steels, reinforced sills, and a redesigned subframe to better distribute energy in a collision. Engineers place particular focus on maintaining torsional rigidity without compromising ride comfort, a delicate balance that defines Mazda's chassis tuning philosophy. In the event of an impact, the battery pack is shielded by a multi-layer enclosure, and the high-voltage systems are automatically disconnected to prevent electrical hazards. Inside, 9 airbags come standard, including knee and center airbags to protect both driver and passenger during side collisions. Complementing all of this hardware is an intricate web of sensors that continuously scans the road ahead, beside, and behind. The system fuses radar, ultrasonic, and optical data to create a 360-degree awareness field around the vehicle, capable of detecting pedestrians, cyclists, and even animals in low-visibility conditions. What's remarkable is how unobtrusive it all feels. Mazda's philosophy with these systems has always been about assistance without intrusion, helping the driver stay aware and in control, without ever feeling like the car is taking over. The feedback through the steering wheel, throttle, and brakes remains natural and human. You don't get the constant beeping, flashing, or overbearing corrections that plague some EV competitors. Instead, everything operates in quiet confidence, present when you need it, invisible when you don't. As for pricing, Mazda is positioning the EZ-60 strategically within the premium mass-market electric crossover segment. The initial rollout will begin in China, where it's being produced under the Mazda Chang'an joint venture, before expanding to other markets under the CX-6E badge. This dual naming strategy hints at Mazda's global ambitions while acknowledging regional production realities. Pricing is expected to start in the mid to upper $40,000 range for the base dual-motor model, with higher trims featuring larger battery packs, extended range, or upgraded interior materials likely pushing into the low $50,000. That puts it directly in contention with heavyweights like the Tesla Model Y and Nissan Ariya. But Mazda isn't trying to beat those models on sheer numbers, it's trying to outclass them on experience. Where Tesla leans on tech, Mazda leans on tactile quality. Where Hyundai goes bold and futuristic, Mazda goes timeless and sculptural. And where most EVs prioritize efficiency above all else, the EZ-60 still prioritizes the feel of driving. That's a risky but refreshing stance, one that gives Mazda its own identity in a crowded electric landscape. What makes the EZ-60 fascinating isn't just what it is, but what it represents. It's a clear statement that Mazda's soul, the connection between driver and machine, can survive the electric transition. Every motion, every steering input, every subtle roll of the throttle has been tuned with that signature Jinba Itai spirit, the philosophy of harmony between horse and rider that Mazda has preached for decades. The EZ-60 doesn't just transport you, it communicates with you. There's still that sense of rhythm, that balance of tension and grace that makes driving feel personal. And that's rare in today's EV world, where so many vehicles feel more like appliances than companions. The EZ-60 isn't trying to dazzle you with gimmicks or overwhelm you with autonomous tech. It's trying to make you feel something again. The way the cabin cocoons you, the way the suspension breathes over rough pavement, the way the steering talks back, it all reminds you that driving can still be an emotional act, even in an era defined by batteries and software. So is the 2026 Mazda EZ-60 worth your attention? Absolutely. It may not win every drag race, and it may not boast the longest range on the spec sheet, but it's one of the few EVs that feels built for humans, not algorithms. If you're looking for a mid-size electric SUV that captures Mazda's craftsmanship, delivers a balanced driving experience, and brings soul back to sustainable mobility, this could be one of the most complete and satisfying packages of 2026. It's not about dominating specs or breaking speed records. It's about rediscovering joy in motion, in a world where cars are losing their soul to automation. The EZ-60 stands as proof that the electric future doesn't have to be sterile or soulless. It can still be beautiful, analog in feeling, and alive with purpose. All right, that's our deep dive into the 2026 Mazda EZ-60. Mazda's quiet revolution wrapped in sculpted metal and electric calm. What do you think? Has Mazda done enough to bring its legendary soul into the EV era? Or do you think they're still playing it too safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and subscribe if you want more in-depth looks at the cars shaping our electric future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.